In the vast landscape of WordPress page builders, finding the perfect fit for your website can be overwhelming. Today, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 reasons why I've chosen Beaver Builder as my page builder of choice. Number 1. Beaver Builder's intuitive interface. What sets Beaver Builder apart is its easy-to-use drag-and-drop layout editor and its extensive selection of modules. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a complete beginner, Beaver Builder makes building beautiful websites a breeze. No coding required. Number 2. Beaver Builder's extensive documentation and supported community. With well-written and organized documentation, finding solutions to any problems you encounter is a snap. Plus, the vibrant community on Slack's Beaver Builder's channel is filled with passionate experts always ready to offer assistance. Number 3. Beaver Builder is optimized for performance. Unlike other page builders that load all JavaScript and CSS for every module on every page, Beaver Builder only loads what's needed, resulting in lightning fast loading times. Number 4. Beaver Builder is built for customization. It allows the addition of custom classes and CSS to all its modules, empowering you to tailor them to your exact specifications. And for advanced users, modifying modules directly within the plugin folder is a breeze. Last but certainly not least, number 5. Beaver Builder is always evolving. With recent introductions like a new set of modules, utilizing CSS Flexbox and grid layout, Beaver Builder continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with a page builder. Overall, Beaver Builder offers unparalleled ease of use, performance optimization, and endless possibilities for customization, ready to take your website to the next level. Click the link below to get started with Beaver Builder today.